Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take money from MetaMask. First, understand that MetaMask is a self-custodial wallet, meaning it doesn't directly handle fiat currency. To get your funds into a bank account, you'll typically need to use a centralized cryptocurrency exchange or MetaMask's built-in sell feature, which partners with third-party providers. This process involves converting your digital assets into traditional money, like US dollars or euros. To convert your crypto to fiat, you have two main options. You can use MetaMask's integrated sell feature, which allows you to directly exchange supported cryptocurrencies for fiat currency. Alternatively, you can transfer your crypto from MetaMask to a centralized exchange like Coinbase or Binance. Once on the exchange, you can then sell your crypto for your desired fiat currency, such as US dollars or euros. Always ensure you select the correct network for your tokens. After converting your cryptocurrency to fiat on an exchange or through MetaMask's sell feature, the next step is to withdraw it to your bank account. You'll need to link and verify your bank account with the platform you're using. Then, navigate to the withdrawal section, select fiat currency, and enter the amount you wish to transfer. Always double-check the details before confirming the withdrawal to ensure a smooth transaction. When withdrawing funds, remember that network gas fees apply to transfers from MetaMask, which are not charged by MetaMask itself. Centralized exchanges or direct sell providers may also have their own service fees, sometimes around 0.875% for swaps. Processing times can vary from a few minutes to several business days, depending on the network and provider. Also, be mindful of potential tax obligations, as exchanges may issue tax forms like Form 1099 for your transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.